Hello everyone, today I present the recipe for Sicilian Braciolone with sauce, in dialect, Bruciuluni. We start from main ingredients, which are beautiful slice of beef purchased in your local store, minced beef, Sicilian cheese grated coarsely, 4 hard-boiled eggs, 2 white onions, 1 egg that will serve for the filling, 1 onion, chopped breadcrumbs, chopped parsley, 3 slices of mortadella, according to taste, ham or salami, tomato sauce, salt and pepper. To make the filling we take the ground beef, so it is enough, about 500 grams. Add 1 egg, a little Sicilian cheese, a bit of parsley, a bit of breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, we also add a little of chopped onion to flavor the filling. We mix all the ingredients. I add another egg because the stuffing seems too dry. Mix again. That's it, our stuffing. Put aside for a moment our filling and take the slice of beef. We slice on wooden chopping board. Strive to enlarge the meat and make it more thin. After making our thin slice of beef, prepare the filling. We take 3 slices of mortadella. Mortadella make the filling a bit more fat and tasty. Then we go to spread our stuffing. When we have finished, spread the filling in a thin layer, or we can add a little Sicilian cheese. Now we have to place the boiled eggs. Cut the head and tail of each eggs. The hardest part will roll up the Bruciuluni. Slowly roll up our slice. It will be enough for about 6 people. We have to tie it with string. We tied the Bruciolini. Let's go in the kitchen. We put the olive oil in our pot. Add the chopped onion. Let fry. Add the Bruciuluni. Let brown the Bruciolini from all sides and then add a glass of red wine, Nero d'Avola. Let evaporate. Now let's add the tomato puree. A bit of salt. A little sugar to correct the acidity of the tomato. We cover and let cook for 1 hour at medium heat. After 1 hour and 15 minutes we remove the Bruciolini from the pot. We remove the string. Now I cut it in slices. I use the electric knife for convenience. The sauce that remained in the pot is very good. I put a little in the pot. We put a few slices in the dish. How nice this colorful the Bruciolini. We put a little gravy to complete. This is our great result today. Counsel accompany the Bruciolini with a good Sicilian's red wine, Nero d'Avola. Bon appétit!